अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। कैसे हैं मेरे बेटा, ठीक है?
जी बेटा, साइंस का काम शुरू करते हैं। आपने जो समर पैक पे क्वेश्चन आंसर दिए हैं ना, आपने साइंस के काम में सिर्फ ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करने हैं, ठीक है? कुछ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं और कुछ लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। नेम द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ नर्व्स इन द बॉडी। द टू काइंड्स ऑफ नर्व्स मेंशन्ड आर मोटर नर्व्स एंड सेंसरी नर्व्स। Next, what is the function of sensory nerves? The sensory nerves carry signals between the sense organs and the brain. Next question is, what is reflex action? A reflex action is an automatic action. They are controlled by the spinal cord. Next question, how does the eye see the things? Light enters the eye through the pupil in the center of the iris. The lens focuses the image on the retina. The optic nerves carries the message to the brain, which interpret what we are seeing. Next question, name the parts of the brain. The parts of the brain are the cerebrum, the medulla and cerebellum. Next question is, what are the functions of each part of the brain? The cerebellum control voluntary actions like thinking, feeling, decisions making, etc. The medulla controls involuntary actions such as most bodily functions like breathing, digesting, etc. The cerebellum controls balance and movement of our muscles and joints. Next question is, how does the nose detect smell? Smells chemicals in the air dissolve on the moist lining of the nostrils. The nerves carry a message to the brain and you can detect the smell. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ड्रा एंड लेबल द डायग्राम ऑफ द ह्यूमन ब्रेन। ये देखें आपके सामने एक डायग्राम है, आपकी बुक पे के पेज नंबर 3 पे भी ये दी है। आपने इस तरह से ये डायग्राम बना के इसको लेबल भी करना है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ आर जर्म्स केप्ट आउट ऑफ टिन फूड्स। ठीक है, टिन फूड मतलब पैक्ड फूड्स। एयर एंड द जर्म्स इन इट इज रिमूव्ड ड्यूरिंग द canning process. What is pasteurization? The process of heating milk to 60 degrees centigrade to destroy the germs in it and make it last for longer. Name any 3 places where you can find bacteria: in soil, in water, in glaciers. How are fungi useful for human beings? Some fungi can be eaten. Fungi help to decompose biodegradable litter and make soil fertile. Define the following microorganisms. Microorganisms, living things which are too small to be seen with the naked eye. They can be only seen through a microscope. Microscopy, so small that is only visible with the help of microscope. Next question is, list 6 ways in which microorganisms can enter your body. Microorganisms can enter the body through cuts, through the nose and mouth when you breathe, eat or drink. They can also enter through direct contact. They can enter through insects, bites or boring worms. How can we stop diseases from spreading? To control the spread of diseases, we have to do following things. Number 1, air clothes and bedding in fresh air and sunlight. Keep water and food well covered and clean. Boil milk to kill the germs it contains. Ventilate the house well to allow fresh air to circulate. Get ourselves vaccinated. Next question is, write a note on viruses, bacteria, fungi and protozoa. Virus. A virus is a small parasite that cannot produce by itself once it infects a susceptible cell. However, a virus can direct the cell machinery to produce more viruses. Bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic single-celled organisms that thrive in diverse environments. These organisms live in soil. Fungi. The fungi are a separate kingdom of living things. Different from animals, fungi have cells with nuclei. Protozoa. Protozoa are single-celled that commonly show characteristics usually associated with animals, most notably mobility and heterotrophy. Find out what do you know about these famous scientists: Avicenna, Ibn Sina, and next one is Al-Razi. Avicenna, Ibn Sina, also known as Abu Ali Sina, Pur Sina, and often known in the West as Avicenna, was a Persian polymath who is regarded as one of the most significant physicians, astronomers, thinker, and writer of the Islamic Golden Age and the father of early modern medicine. Al-Razi. Ibn Zakaria Al-Razi was a Persian polymath, physician, alchemist, philosopher, and important figure in the history of medicine. He also wrote on logic, astronomy, and grammar. Next question is, what is one important thing that plants can do but animals cannot? Plants can make their own food. Why do animals move from place to place? Animals move from place to find food and water or to avoid danger. How does a mosquito feed? A mosquito feeds through a sharp needle-like mouth part. Give an example of a plant that does not make food by photosynthesis. How does it get energy? Some plants do not make their own food. They can be carnivores. Example, pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, or parasites. Example, Rafflesia, are decomposers. Example, mushroom. What is taking in and giving out air called? So it is called respiration. Next question is, draw a diagram of tomato plant makes its food in the leaves by photosynthesis. के पेज नंबर 25 पे ये जो डायग्राम होगी ना, ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको बता रहे हैं, वो डायग्राम आपने यहाँ पे ड्रा करनी है, ठीक है। और जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आपको करवाए हैं ये आपने अच्छी तरह से याद करने हैं और लिखना भी इनको है। ओके बेटा, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।